What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we are at the DJ Expo at the Hard Rock Casino in Atlantic City. Today I'm going to walk around to all the booths and I'm going to talk to people about the new tech that's coming out in the DJ industry, give you guys some inside tips, and maybe we can get some new info, some fresh info, maybe some announcements of some type. I don't know, but let's get into it. Here we are. DJ Expo 2025. Come together, baby. Let's go. All right, so it turns out my punctual ass was too punctual. The expo doesn't open till 11 a.m. and it's currently 10:08. And I got here at 9:45. I thought I was getting here earlier to do something cool. I was totally wrong, but wasn't all bad. Got to play some blackjack and I ran into this guy. Bah! DMC finalist right here.
East Coast champion.
East Coast champion. My boy Santi. Nastiest DJ ever. If you've never seen him, you need to check his Instagram out. It's just Santi on Instagram and his YouTube. He does some really cool shit. Check him out. All right, we're here. We're at the expo. It's loud. We got DJs. Clearly, it's a f***ing DJ expo. What am I talking about? Look at this. Whoa. Welcome to DJ X 25, ladies and gentlemen. So there's so much shit and it's so loud. But it's awesome. All these DJs that's coming together for a good time. Let's go see if we can get some interviews. Let's go talk to some people about some tech. All right, guys, so we're walking to the expo, and the first booth I had to stop at was OWC. Now, I'm very familiar with this company. They make great products, specifically for Mac, but I'm sure they do other things. Either way, I'm gonna hand the mic over to the rep, and he's gonna tell you exactly why they're here and what they're offering and why you should buy their stuff.
Hi, I'm Chris with OWC. We're here at DJ X 2025. What we're showcasing here at OWC is our portable SSDs. So everything from small, lightweight capacity drives all the way up to big, large capacity, like 8 terabyte drives, and then everything in between. We also have desktop storage for when you're backing up at home and keeping your files on your computer and having a backup. And then we also have our docking stations. So as you know, Apple a few years ago took a lot of ports off the computer. Now we give you the ability with these docks to add them all back in. So if you have to display to multiple screens, additional interfaces, we have the docking solution for you. Depending on what your needs are, we have a variety of different port configurations and sizes for whatever your needs are.
All right, guys, so we are at the Carvin booth. Now, if you don't know about Carvin, you're sleeping on them. And my buddy Joel is going to explain to you exactly why you should be keeping your eye on Carvin.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Joel Kizis from Carvin. So our TRC system is a column array active loudspeaker system. We've been building them since 2011, so we've been around a long time. I'm going to show you why our system is amazing and why you should check it out. So first off, our columns feature 18 3.5-inch full-range drivers. So these drivers will handle everything down to 110 hertz up to 18,000 hertz. And our column system is set up so that it's flexible. So you're not stuck to one rigid pole. It comes in 2 units and they stack together and it creates an amazing array that can throw up to 400 feet. So if you're a DJ, if you're an audio professional and you get called to do a car show or another large outdoor event and you need to throw some audio pretty far, this system is worth considering. It comes apart just like this. You got your connecting poles. And then you've got your threaded post, which is not plastic. It's solid aluminum for a secure connection. Simply thread that into the top of the subwoofer. Connect one column, put in your connecting post. Stack the second one. Connect 2 speak-on cables and you're done. Add your XLR cable from your mixer or your controller and add power and you're set up. You're ready to go. It's fast, it's loud, it's powerful, and we're one of the few out there that are making an 18. So you have the column system that's powered by a 2,000 watt 18-inch sub. So come check us out, and we'd love to talk to you. Thank you.
Okay, so there's a lot of cool stuff here this year. I just walked by a booth called Mo and Joe's Electronics. This is the first time I've seen computers at a DJ Expo, which is absolutely insane because, well, every DJ uses a computer. All right, everybody, we are at AI Lightshow. We've got Greg. Say what's up to Greg. He's going to explain to you exactly what this little box is and how magical it is. Take it away, Greg.
Yep, so this is a automated DMX controller. It's fully autonomous. So we have an app that you set up your lighting rig in, you define what fixtures you're using, you save that off, transfer that information to the box, and all the intelligence is built right into this unit right here. So it'll listen to a live audio feed, which we have coming in here via an external cable, and it makes decisions in real time and generates effects from scratch as it's listening to music. And these effects are tailored specifically to the lighting rig that you have running. You will never see the same exact effects generated for a different lighting rig. It's built from scratch in real time with the intelligence in the box.
That is so sick. You guys know we love technology around here, and I'm a big fan of AI. This light show is absolutely amazing. And Greg, thank you for taking the time, brother.
Yeah, thanks for taking the time to visit our booth. Appreciate it.
So we're gonna try some in-ear monitors. We are with Linsol, and they have some really, really cool in-ear monitors.
I've never heard of that, but that's interesting. So we would have to have.
All right, guys, so we just stopped at the Linsol audio booth. I've got James with me, and he's gonna tell you why every DJ needs a set of in-ear monitors, because my mind was just blown. So James, take it away.
Hey Seth, so nice to meet you. And I guess in a nutshell, I would say that in-ear monitors are great because they isolate really well. They're very, very portable, so you can use them in your life in general outside of DJing. And the audio reproduction is so precise and so well isolated that you're going to hear every nuance, every beat, every cymbal crash, every click and marker, so that you can mix really well.
I wasn't a believer. I wasn't. I'll be honest. I wasn't a huge fan of in-ear monitors. I thought they sounded like shit, and my mind was blown. If you're looking for in-ear monitors, you got to check out Linsol. They have like various price ranges. I will tell you that I've listened to the cheapest, and I just got done listening to the most expensive, and it was just quality across the board. So get yourself some in-ear monitors, people. They're worth it. If you watch my channel, you know I've got beef with Serato. I think it's bullshit that they're not innovating, and this makes me even more mad. Guys, this is Rekordbox on an iPad. Rekordbox with a controller on an iPad. Serato, what is your excuse for no app? Leave it in the comments. All right, so we are at NLFX Pro, and they have some really interesting news and things coming up, but I'm gonna let Kyle tell you a little bit about it.
What's up, everybody? It's Kyle with NLFX out here at the DJ Expo show in Atlantic City. Super excited about it. Awesome thing we got releasing this year is we got our new NLFX cable builder. We're doing kind of a soft launch here at this show. It's going to come out wide to everybody as soon as we can. But basically what you're going to be able to do is go online, and any of those awesome custom cables that you guys get from us, you'll be able to do that online. You'll be able to check out, do the whole thing without having to go through one of us. Now, that doesn't mean that you cannot reach out if you have a question, and we will definitely help you through the process. That's still not a problem. Customers are always first. But if you're up like we are as DJs at 2 o'clock in the morning, you have this wild idea of something that you want to build, go online, make sure it'll work. We try to make it as user-friendly as we can, and if for some reason your cable won't work, we're going to tell you right on there, like, hey man, you shouldn't order that, that's not going to work. So you're not wasting your money, you're not wasting your time, okay? So go check it out. We'd love to see y'all guys out there, okay? Thank you so much.
What's going on, brother?
Man, how's it going?
Nice to meet you too, man.
I was like, I know that guy.
This is
DJ Solstice.
DJ Solstice, guys.
Live on
He is
video. Shooting in RAW too. Look at you.
Yeah, so this guy right here, if you don't know DJ Solstice, he is the sound snob. of the industry.
Yes.
If you want to know whether a speaker sounds good or you should buy it, just listen to DJ Solstice.
If it
because
doesn't get my approval, don't buy it.
this done bought everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything.
So if you don't follow DJ Solstice, check him out on Instagram at DJ Solstice.
DJSolstice.ent.
DJSolstice.ent.
Or just DJ Solstice on YouTube, too.
There we go. Check them out. Okay, so that does it for the expo. Hopefully you guys saw some cool things, and I don't know, maybe you'll buy some in-ear monitors or that nifty AI Lightshow. I have no idea, but either way, as always, thank you for watching. If you found anything valuable in the content, please subscribe to the channel. Got a bunch of videos going over the tech that we use as DJs, with a lot more coming down the pipeline. My name's Seth, aka DJ Seth V. This is DJ Tech Tips. Thank you for watching, and we out.